How to adjust hue in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make and changes in hue. First of all, open the application. Now in the home page, you can see this plus icon. Tap on this plus icon. Now you can select and open the image that you want to edit. Here I'm tapping on one. Again, tap on the photo. Now here you'll be able to see the option called Adjust. Simply tap on Adjust, and here at the second last option there is Hue. Simply tap on Hue. So this is the slider that is available. Now we can use this slider to select the position that you want to change into. So as you can see, it has been changing the photo. Now select the appropriate one and simply tap on Done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.